already know, baby. Yeah. Yeah, I said I already done it.
What is up everyone, मेरा नाम है राहुल और आज हम करेंगे अनबॉक्सिंग और रिव्यू Onitsuka टाइगर के Fabre S 2.0 का. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. तो गाइस ये है हमारे टाइगर के Fabre BLS 2.0. These are white sneakers and these are unisex sneakers. मतलब both men and women can wear these shoes and they have a very premium look, and this is the iconic A6 design that everyone is aware of. Here there is a very nice branding here and on the sole, and the material here is leather, you can see, and this is the sole of the shoe. Very basic, nothing special here. And so, and let's see what's inside. Nothing. And as we can see, this is made in Vietnam, so genuine quality assured. So let's get outside and try this brand new sneaker and let's see how it looks. ये था हमारा रिव्यू Onitsuka टाइगर के Fabre BLS 2.0 का. इफ़ यू लाइक द वीडियो देन प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.